Is the way for excellence set in stone or crafted by you in your own way?
He's been out there for 717 balls.
Defend, defend, defend. Or
Rishabh Pant comes to the crease.
attack, attack, attack. Is one the right way or a better way than the other to achieve your goals?
In Pujara and Pant, you see different approaches, different people. It literally is. It's 0 and 180.
It's a nice contrast. Pujara, he's got that solid defence where Rishabh Pant's got the more flamboyancy.
The way he approaches any given situation is almost like, that's how most people do it, but I'm going to do it this way.
You back yourself up.
Pujara cuts nicely.
Play by your own rules.
Pan shapes, little lap sweep.
Don't do it the right way. Do it the way that works for you. As long as you are fiercely authentic.
Now Pujara, he's getting in on the act. 4 more.
Chiteshwar Pujara has not allowed the changing world to change the essence of his batsmanship.
Let your style become your strength.
Perceived wisdom is to do this, and I'm going to do it a different way.
There's no unstoppable force out there to stop you from becoming a champion in your own right. There's more than one way to achieve excellence. You choose your way.